Hi, today we will make an easy and simple bread which we can make varieties of bread with it. Today I will make focaccia with cherry tomatoes and onion, buns and white loaf. Let's start. So we need 250 grams of bread flour, 4 grams of sea salt, 3 grams dry yeast, 20 grams olive oil, and 180 grams of water. We combine all ingredients together. The amount of water is depend on your flour brand. Sometimes it might need 160 grams or 180. First add 160 grams, and if you think your dough is dry, just add a little bit around 10 grams or 20 grams. Then combine all together. We need very soft dough. Sticky and soft dough. Now cover the dough for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, just work with the dough around 10 seconds. Again, cover for 10 minutes. Repeat these steps for about 2 to 3 times. After 10 minutes, again work with it for another 10 seconds. Cover for another 10 minutes. This is last time of working with the dough, and I will let the dough to rest until it's doubled in size. Takes around 1 hour to 1:30 minutes. Until that, prepare some cherry tomatoes. It's around 6 pieces, 1 small onion shredded, and some olive oil. Also preheat your oven to 230 Celsius. I made a little bit extra dough to show you how we can make different breads with this simple dough. I will use 400 grams for the focaccia. And this about 400 grams for the buns. And 500 grams for white loaf. First, I make focaccia. Sprinkle flour and with your fingers, okay, through the dough and shape it round. Easy. Bring a parchment paper. We need plenty of olive oil for the butter. Onion. Press a little bit. More olive oil on top. This is actually Italian flatbread. And a bit of sea salt. Into the oven, 230 Celsius for around 20 to 25 minutes. Now for the buns, I divided each one into 100 grams. I round them. Prepare any kind of topping which you like. I will use sesame seeds. Now into a damp towel, then sesame seed or any kind of topping you like. Cover until they double in size, around half an hour. Now for the white loaf. Choose any kind of pans you have. I have this one. I placed a small parchment paper under it. If you don't have, you can just sprinkle with a little bit of flour. And this is the rest of the dough, around 500 grams. A little bit of flour. Also cover and let to rest around this one 45 minutes because the size of the dough is bigger than the buns. Focaccia is ready, golden brown. Now I will wait for buns and white loaves to double in size. Then I will show you after I bake them. They are doubled in size. Into the oven, 230 Celsius for around 15 minutes with a steam. To create a steam, just pour a glass of water under the tray in the oven. Now time to bake the loaf. It is proofed about 70% into the oven, 15 to 20 minutes. This is the buns, very soft and white loaves, and focaccia.